Most e-commerce stores have only one form, but they actually need at least 3 to 6 to maximize conversions. Forms are a must, and when done right, they can drive more sales, grow your email and SMS list, and even personalize the shopping experience. The key is using forms strategically, not just to collect emails, but also to capture SMS subscribers and gather customer preferences for better segmentation. Today, I have 5 must-have forms for your e-commerce store. But the last one is a game changer. If you want to get the most out of your email marketing, make sure to watch until the end. If you are new here, hi, welcome. I'm Kinga, and I help businesses grow with email marketing, automation, and AI-driven strategies. If you want better results with Klaviyo and e-commerce marketing, make sure to subscribe. Now, let's dive in. Most e-commerce stores should use 3 to 6 forms, but success is not about how many you have, it's about who sees them and when. Here's how to segment your forms properly. For non-subscribers, focus on collecting email and SMS while also gathering key customer preferences. For subscribers, use form to collect zero-party data instead of asking for an email again. Now, let's go over the 5 forms you should be using right now and how to segment them properly. Your welcome form is designed for first-time visitors, and while the main goal is to collect email and SMS signups, it is also a key opportunity to gather zero-party data. For example, a brand might display, sign up for 10% off your first order. Tell us your skin type to get personalized recommendations. Show this only to new visitors who are not subscribed yet. And the best practice would be to offer an incentive, but also ask a key question in exchange for the discount. This could be skin type for beauty brands, or jewelry style for fashion brands, or dietary preference for food brands. An exit intent form appears when a visitor moves their cursor to leave the site, giving them one last chance to stay. A jewelry brand may use "Wait, get 10% off if you complete your order now." Show this only to non-subscribers who are about to exit, and also you want to create a sense of urgency by mentioning limited time discount or fast selling inventory. You can actually add a timer in your form. Klaviyo now lets you use a timer to create greater sense of urgency. A cart abandonment form triggers when a shopper has items in their cart but is hesitant to check out. Unlike exit intent forms, these can be targeted based on cart value, number of items, or specific products. So, for example, a pet store, let's say, might display "You are $10 away from free shipping. Complete your order now." Show based on cart value, such as shoppers who have at least one item in a cart but haven't reached free shipping yet. You want to adjust message based on cart content. So, for example, if a visitor has a high-ticket item, use financing options like Klarna, ShopPay, Afterpay instead of a discount. Most brands forget about this, but it is one of the most effective forms you can use. If someone has already subscribed to email but not SMS, this form encourages them to opt into text for exclusive deals. So let's say a hair care brand might display "Get early access to VIP sales. Subscribe to text and receive 10% off your next order." You want to show this only to email subscribers who are not subscribed to SMS. And you also want to make the offer exclusive to SMS subscribers only to increase the sign-up. Most brands treat forms as one-size-fits-all solutions, but the real game changer is customizing them based on whether someone is a subscriber or not. The same form can be shown to both subscriber and non-subscriber. The difference is what you ask for. For non-subscribers, the goal is to collect their email and SMS, while also giving them an incentive to buy. For existing subscribers, we skip the email request and instead focus on conversion tactics like urgency, additional offers, or collecting zero-party data. By tailoring the forms experience, you maximize conversions without frustrating your customers. Forms work best when they are strategic and segmented correctly. Use smart segmentation. Show the right form to the right visitor. Target based on behavior. Use cart value, product views, or browsing time. Control frequency. Limit how often visitors see forms to avoid overwhelming them. A/B test different versions. Experiment with messaging, timing, and design to see what converts best. Forms should enhance the customer experience, not disrupt. Implementing these strategies thoughtfully can enhance user experience and boost conversion. If you want higher conversions without annoying your visitors, use a welcome form to collect emails, SMS, and preferences. An exit intent form to recover abandoning visitors. A cart abandonment form to push hesitant buyers based on cart behavior. An email to SMS form to increase SMS sign-up. A segmented approach where all forms target both non-subscribers and subscribers with different messages. By segmenting forms correctly, you will grow your list, increase sales, and enhance the shopping experience of your customers. Now, I want to hear from you. How many forms are you currently using in your store? Drop a comment below. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more e-commerce marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.